What up, YouTube, man? It's your boy, man, Kanye Facts, and I'm back at it with another banger, man. Now, listen. Third setup is Gbpusd, and yeah. So, starting on the 4-hour time frame on GU, let me just remove everything right here. So, if I remove the drawing, so number one is your context, or simply put, market structure. So, what does price tell you to what does price tell you? So if you just check, we have this breaker structure, right? A lot of people, even me, I was looking for price to respect this order block, and we head down since we had a change of character and all that, bright, but price disrespected this high and we broke structure. So what I'm looking for on Gbpusd is this. So currently we have a breaker structure, and we're trading from the swing low, right? Trading from the swing low to the swing high up here, right? Trading from the swing low to the swing high up there. And so step number one on my trading plan is context, market structure. Where are we headed? Where is our relative price headed? So well, you see that we had a breaker structure, and I'm trading from that swing low to that swing high. Number two, supply and demand, or order blocks. So number two, you'd mark out your points of interest. So my points of interest, number one, is this demand level right here, right? Plus it's a good level of demand because it took liquidity down there before it shot up. So this is the order block that caused the whole overall move right here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking for price to just pull back to this order block right here because it took liquidity, and we have some fair value gap next to it, right? It took liquidity, and we have some imbalance, so it makes that a good order block. Number two is liquidity as a cause, right? Liquidity as a cause. What do I mean by liquidity as a cause? Is that you have to have liquidity to know where you're going, right? There's liquidity in the market in every high and low. Simply, liquidity is everywhere in the market. If you just check this out, right? We have this whole trend line liquidity, right? We have all this trend line liquidity up here. This is all liquidity, right? And we have these relatively, and we have this inducement as liquidity too, right? So inducement is inducement. So if this inducement as liquidity, and we have liquidity here which was taken out, so this is liquidity. So we have liquidity everywhere in the market. So this is liquidity. Inducement is another form of liquidity, you know, it's another form of liquidity. Like there's liquidity in every high and low of the market. Like there's liquidity everywhere in the market. So if I just remove this, what you see is that on the 4-hour we're pulling back, right? So on the 4 hours we're pulling back. If you just check, we have a breaker structure on the 4-hour, and I trade on a rule base that I won't disclose on YouTube, right? So to identify proper market structure, so I have this breaker structure, right? Breaker structure, and I'm trading from this swing high, right? Internally, I'm trading from this swing high to this swing low. Internally on the 4-hour, externally we know where we're going, right? But internally I'm trading from this swing high to the swing low. And if you just check, just to refine this order block on the 1-hour time frame, what I'm looking at is I'm looking for price to just come and mitigate and mitigate this OP or supply level. Reason for that is that we have relatively equal highs, right? But like here, so if you just check on the 15-minute time frame, just drop down to the 15-minute time frame quickly, is that so price was trading, we're trading from that swing high to the swing low, and if you just check on the 1-minute time frame, price changed character right here. We pull back and we had this 4-hour pullback, right? So sorry for that, guys. So if you just check what I'm looking for, I'm looking for price just to tap into this order block right here. Right here, just to tap in, right? Create a high, low, higher high. Then we go lower, low, inducement. Then we take out the lows. That's what I'm looking for on GBPUSD. Simply put, that's my overall weekly analysis for next week on GBPUSD. So moving on to my favorite, best of the best, USD JPY. Let's get into it.